Welcome to the end of day 3 on the flat of Dave. New cupboards are going to be ordered over the weekend. Not much has happened in here, apart from this door's been painted. Look at that, doesn't that make a difference? Even just with what we've done so far makes a massive difference. Right, through to the bathroom. Fair bits happened in here. Panels come out because that was rubbish. The tiles that didn't match have come out. We're going to let that dry and then go over it again. The tiles that were broken or had holes in them, they've been removed. So we're going to put some fresh ones in there. What else? Let's spin around that way. We've got a new tap and a bit of repair to the grouting there. Coming through to this room. Oh, that fluorescent light makes it look orange. This has had its second coat, so that's looking all right. It's had glossing done down the bottom there. There we go. Through to the next bedroom. This has had its second coat up until that corner. And it's the end of the day, so I'm not opening another load of paint. We've gone over that again. That's dried out. That was a big hole in the wall. Again, glossing's been done, so we've got to do all of that again. And this room, again, lights need to be done, but it's looking all right. Glossing's been done. There are the door handles. And we have a light that's going to be mounted about there. So when the electrician comes in, he can sort out all the electrics. That's where the table's going, as you gathered. Happy days.